No, it's okay. I got the quesadilla. Yeah, how about if we feed you a little bite of quesadillas? Okay? Round and round. Chugga, 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 chugga. Bite it, big girl. There we go. How is it? Welcome back to another successful adventure, big girl. We tackled the Thimble Island, specifically the outer island here in Connecticut. So much fun, but I'm ready to see what you have planned for this week. So this week we are going to tackle the taco trucks in New Haven. I have been to the taco trucks in New Haven. I love them, but I have a feeling that maybe you could have an issue with that. Yes. You don't like anything. No, I don't. You don't like to eat anything. I'm nervous. You're very picky. Yeah. But I think maybe we could have a lot of fun with this and do some challenges. Taco truck challenges? Sure. All right, so I guess we're ready. So T.O.S.S is ready to tackle another tea adventure here in Connecticut. Taco trucks in New Haven. Let's do it. You're welcome. So this is a little bit different because normally we drive from home on the weekend, but this time we came down and picked you up and we're headed down to the taco trucks because you work in this area. Right. And we're going to have to decide which taco trucks to eat at. Right. It's going to be a difficult decision. And we're doing taco trucks. We're not doing hamburger trucks. We're not doing chicken trucks. We're not doing pork trucks, barbecue trucks. We're doing taco trucks. What about Italian? Because that starts with the letter T. Italian does not start with T. We're starting with the T's. Taco trucks. I think there's quite a few of them too. All right. All right. McDonald's afterwards? No. No. Oh my gosh. All right, big girl. Where are we going to start? I don't know. There's like how many trucks down here? There's got to be like 10. There's at least 10 trucks down here with all different. I don't know. I don't know where to start. Let's start with let's start with the one all the way on the end. All right. Should we do it? Yeah. Let's start at the end. Let's go. All right. So what do you want to get? Like the pork on a stick. Pork on a stick is not Mexican. That's not a taco truck item. No. No. We need some like of the tacos or tortas. Let's move on to the next one. Move on to the next one. Okay. Alright, so I'm definitely seeing the elote, which I think is the Mexican street corn. I definitely want that. That picture looks yummy. Yeah, the elote looks good. What is that? It's corn, but it's got like, I think like a mayonnaise-y, sour creamy type thing with some spices on it. No? I thought it was like a cinnamon sugar kind of thing. No, big girl. No cinnamon. Like. No, it's not sweet. It looks like a churrito or something. A churro? So we've ordered the chicken, the pollo tacos. I'm excited because I want to put some of this on there. But I really want a pina colada. Big girl. Oh, should we get rid of the Doritos too? Yeah. Okay. What kind do you? I wonder. I guess it depends on what kind they have. The guava ones. Let's look at what we've got. Okay. All right. So you've got chicken tacos down here. That we know, but we're going to put that together with the other three and see if we can tell what's what. We've got porchata, which you call porchata. I thought that's what you said. I can't wait to try it. Sorry. No wonder why they look confused when I asked. Oh my God, that's so good. Really? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Try it. Try it. Try it. Yes. Oh my God. Oh my God, it is very good. Okay. Thumbs up on the porchata. It tastes like bubble gum. It does. Yeah. It does. We've got 3 different meat tacos. So one was head, one was tongue, and one was some undetermined meat that you asked for.
Yeah. I can't remember what it was.
All right, so we've got an undetermined meat. We don't know what it is.
It might be beef, I think.
Could be.
I am going to dip a taco into each salsa to see how hot the salsas are. Okay, so I'll pick one up.
You pick one up.
Are you ready?
I don't know. I'm going to soak it up, too.
Is it hot? It's hot? Okay. The green one is hot. Not that hot?
Not too bad.
Okay.
Like it sparks a little flame on my tongue.
Let's try the next one. I don't know, this one looks really hot.
Let's give it a try.
We got sirens going on.
We got everything. All right, here we go. Oh, I see seeds.
Oh boy.
Seeds usually mean hot.
No? Good? Okay.
Oh boy. It's hot.
Yep.
A little hot. A little hot. I feel it. Oh, my tongue. Ooh. Ah. 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 Ah.
Try this one.
Ah.
Take another sip. Take
Oh.
another sip. Take another
Oh,
sip.
wow. Wow. Oh. All right. I think this is not going to be so hot.
Better you than me. That one's good? So this is the winner? This is the winner.
This is the winner.
Well, we have some other ones over here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yep.
Now, if that one looks like that one, that one's the
Oh,
same
it
as
does,
that
doesn't
one.
it? Ooh. Okay, starting to...
Wait, now you're drinking my drink. Hey, girl.
So, you need to pick
That
one
looks
up.
like head.
I don't know. Have you ever... Have you ever seen cooked head before?
No, but look, it's like curly and stuff. It looks like brain or something.
Oh, really? Before I'm gonna eat it?
Yeah, it looks
Why
like
would
brain.
you say that?
All right.
Oh, no. No.
What is it? No? Oh. What do you think it is?
It's the tongue. Here. It's the tongue. It was tongue, wasn't it?
Good job.
So the only one left to try is head.
All right, go ahead and try it.
No, that's yours.
Oh, no, you
I
try
saved
it.
the best for
No,
last.
no.
Yeah, take one. Yes,
No,
take
I
that whole
can't.
piece.
I
Take
can't.
it down. Yes, take it. Yes, yes, you got it. You got it.
You
Put
eat
it
it
in.
at the
No,
same
you
time.
don't. All right, ready? One. Cheers. Cheers. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
I can't do it.
Let's do it.
All right.
Come on.
Okay.
One,
All right.
2, 3. No. 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 What? Oh my God! She didn't even. You just put it in your mouth. You didn't even eat it.
No, I had a little piece in there still.
You didn't even eat it.
There's still a little piece. See?
Is it in your napkin? No.
It's still there. Did you see it?
No. All right, look. We're headed back for some dessert, plantain, some type of plantain with something.
on the trail. No one can probably hear us because it's really loud, but it's pretty. Yeah.
Nice end to the day.
Yeah. And it looks nice like behind us, right? It looks nice. Yeah.
So T.O.S.S has tackled another adventure, the taco trucks. What'd you think?
I loved it. I enjoyed all the tacos almost.
Me too. Well, it was.
So where was it located again?
It was exit 46 off of I-95, and it was in the Long Wharf area of New Haven, which is just right across the street from the water.
Yes, a long line of taco trucks right there on Long Wharf.
And one hot dog truck.
So T.O.S.S is ready to tackle another tea adventure here in Connecticut. Are you ready? But until then, we're done.